Namaste, Honorable Chief Guest, Chairman of Nepal Workers and Peasants Party, Narayanman Bijok Cherohit, Chairperson of this program, and Mayor Sunil Prajapati, Deputy Mayor, Principals of Khopa Circle, Vice Principals, teachers, and dear students. Firstly, many congratulations to Khopa Secondary School on winning the heart of nearly 2,000 students. Hope Khopa will successfully carve and shape their future as ever. Welcoming and orienting is a unique Khopa culture. We believe Khopa will keep enhancing Khopa culture and leave no stone unturned to make our new generation well-cultured and genuinely educated. Secondly, hearty congratulations to Khopa for successfully unveiling the Khopa Journal. We wish for its continuity. Let me avail this opportunity to request you to imprint the slogan dedicated to people and country both in your mind and your heart. Dear esteemed students, I stand before you today brimming with pride and joy as I extend my heartfelt congratulations to each one of you for successfully completing your SEE with outstanding results. This moment marks not just the end of one journey, but the beginning of another, a journey that will shape your future and be filled with excitement and challenges. As the saying goes, choice, not chance, determines destiny. I am thrilled that you have chosen Khopa, a distinguished institution that will undoubtedly enrich your academic journey. Your choice will make a significant impact and bring deeper meaning to your future endeavors. This morning, I invite you to embark on a journey through time, back some 2,500 years. At that time, Gautam Buddha was nearing the end of his earthly existence. A disciple once asked him how people would remember him after his passing. Buddha responded, "Remember the teachings and the wisdom you have received. Visit Lumbini, where I was born. Stand there with faith, and you will feel a profound energy within yourself. Lumbini holds a great light, knowledge, and power. You will sense it if you approach it with mindfulness. Today, you are standing on the historic and vibrant soil of Bhaktapur, a city renowned for its dance, music, art, and culture. Bhaktapur, with its unparalleled ancient beauty and breathtaking architecture, embodies a unique blend of tradition and modernity. It is a land of revolutionary spirit, known for its historic struggles against corruption, feudalism, and imperialism. Bhaktapur is another name of peasants' movements. Bhaktapur has long opposed imperialist wars and injustices across the globe, from Vietnam to Palestine. Bhaktapur is demanding the end of proxy war of the US in Ukraine. It has raised its voice against hegemonic actions and territorial encroachments, standing firm in its patriotism and commitment to justice. Bhaktapur's legacy of resistance includes fighting against the Sikhimization and unequal treaties with India like 1950 Treaty, Kosi Treaty, Gandak Treaty, Mahakali Treaty, etc. that threaten Nepal's sovereignty. In recent decades, Bhaktapur has embarked on a remarkable journey of renaissance, evolving into a center of excellence. The city, once the heart of literacy campaigns, now stands as a beacon of preserved heritage and vibrant culture. If Buddha were to witness present present-day Bhaktapur, he would surely recognize it as a beacon of hope and strength akin to Lumbini. You, dear students, are the future of Nepal, full of promise and potential. Embrace the values of honesty, perseverance, dedication, and devotion. As you embark on this new chapter, remember the importance of self-awareness. Like the lion cub that roared upon discovering its true identity, or the baby eagle that soared after recognizing its potential, you too must understand and harness your strengths and capabilities. Know yourself. Know the land you stand on. Prepare for your challenges and remain hopeful for the future. The destiny of Nepal and the impact you will make lies in your hands. Congratulations once again and best wishes to you all for the exciting journey ahead. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Dhanyavad.